Over the last few days, I've been working on this, so I've got a pretty good feel for menuing and controlling parameters from a menu and writing a spotlight. And I'll show you my code here in a bit. But so we'll wander over here, and I have one trigger in this whole thing, and it brings up a menu, and I need to clean up the menu some. This says color, but it's being wiped out. I'll go ahead and turn the color so you can see. Let's turn it to red. See the menu. I need to straighten up the menu and have it overlay so you can see it and straighten up these boxes and stuff. But I have a spotlight there. I can control the color via this slider switch. It switches through Roy G. Biv all the way to violet and finally to white. So if I make it, I can make it that. It's real wide right now, but if I go ahead and I can turn the width down to very narrow, very wide. I can make it less. I can change the intensity. I might ratchet that up some, but I can change the intensity. See the light changing? I've got some messages and stuff still on, obviously. I can change what angle it's at. And then I can spin it. And then I can, I can change it to a little wider to spin. I can spin it faster. I could change the angle again some more, make it go up. So on. So, that's what I've done. Like I say, I have to clean up the menu, but that's just fiddling around. And close it. And what closing does is frees up the character to wander around now into the club. So pretty much what I had in Sansar and had in Unreal Engine. Just to kind of show you what this is, it's a script. My verse script runs the whole thing. It's a controlling script. Here it is, a lot of code. Basically, this has got you define the actual, instead of using UMG, you have to define it inside of here. So this is the horrors of old HTML programming coming back, but you have to basically, the things that you do in UMG, you have to do with a series of commands, and this is what I've got. Each one of these slots were for the slider switches in the close box, and then I have a bunch of functions depending on as they change the values in there. It fires off controlling the lights thing or code, where I can tilt it and I rotate it, and I got, of course, every one of these. I change the light. Based on the slider switch, I set values inside of the light, and that's what I got. So it's quite a bit of code. I learned quite a bit doing this. The next one will be a lot easier to do, but that's where I got to. I've got controllable spotlights anyway in the game inside of my little club area I'm setting up.